Bookstart is a programme that's run by BookTrust, which is a charity that changes lives through reading. The Bookstart Baby pack is gifted to every child in England, and it is gifted to the family when the child is between the ages of 0 to 12 months. And the pack contains 2 board books, a rhyme sheet and guidance materials to get families off the ground when it comes to reading.
So as part of Matthew's 6 to 8 month development, we give you this Bookstart pack, okay? And in this pack is some books, little books for Matthew, okay, like that. Did you know that it's important to try and read to your baby from as early as you can, basically, as early?
I didn't at first, because obviously he's my first baby, so you don't really know everything until that health visitor comes round and say, you know, how important it is to start reading to him sooner rather than later, really.
Yeah. And it's great if you know, to cuddle up, look at a book, look at pictures, talk and read through the book, and that can help with bonding with your child, okay? Yeah. And it can also help to create routines such as bedtime routines and bath time routines. Try and make reading a story every part of that as well. Yeah. Also in this pack is that's for you, a guide for grown-ups. And a time for a rhyme with lots of different nursery rhymes and things like that you can do with Matthew. Reading to your baby is essential for baby brain development, and it's really important, you know, for children to hear words, and that can help them with early speech development. Okay. Yeah. And have you tried joining any like local libraries?
I haven't actually. Well, there's the Show Start Centre. And we go there to their groups.
They do activities, you know, like rhyming activities and Bookstart activities to do with Matthew for you both to enjoy. Okay. Families are often quite happy to receive the Bookstart pack as part of the child's developmental assessment. It often encourages families to start reading to the children.
It's really important that the health professionals give a quality message to families. It's also important that we don't make assumptions about families. We can't tell from one family to the next who need tips, who need guidance and who need that extra support to develop a reading habit every day.
Before I received the Bookstart pack, I didn't realise how important it was to read from such an early age.
The Bookstart pack's really valuable for demonstrating to parents how important it is, as they are a new family, and that the sharing the books, how they communicate with each other, is really important for how baby grows and develops.
I think speaking with my health visitor when we received the baby packs, I think it encouraged me to read a bit more often, because she explained how it helped with their development and the bonding, so we tend to try and make that part of every day now.
I try to read books to Matthew maybe every day. We try to, even if we're just looking at pictures and stuff like that, try to do it as much as I possibly can, really.
The key messages that I try to get to parents are that they're the main teacher of the child at a very young age.
The benefits of singing and sharing the books or rhymes with the baby every day is really that you're establishing a routine, both for the parent to be in that routine and for the baby.
Also, reading should be a fun time, a time when they can cuddle up and look at the pictures.
So we use it to calm before bed, and when we're nappy changing, it's the kind of thing that I do give to my little girl to relax her, and so she can occupy herself while I'm changing her nappy.
Books have probably helped me learn that it is really important and really beneficial to help with his speech and his brain development, to read books to him as soon as possible and as much as possible.
Occasionally we've had some barriers to overcome when gifting the Bookstart pack, sometimes in very busy households, but even then usually the parent's very keen, and you can demonstrate to them that it's just looking at the pictures, talking about the pictures, they don't necessarily have to read.
Also, another barrier that I come across is if parents are not very confident readers themselves, and I often tell parents that it's not always about reading the book, it's about looking at the pictures and telling the child about what's going on in the picture and enjoying the book with the child.
I'd probably tell other parents and carers that it is beneficial, because obviously you feel a bit closer to your child if you sat reading to them, and obviously you're helping them learn and helping them develop the more you read books to them.
I think if I was to tell other parents about the Bookstart and about the reading to your children at such a young age. I just explained to them how it's really helped me with bonding with my children and their concentration and communication between the two of us.
Reading and having access to books means I'm able to help Matthew learn, maybe not necessarily quicker, but learn things better and start to repeat things, probably help him with his speech and his development that way.
The Bookstart programme is only possible through strong partnership working, and we know that health professionals start children and families off on their journey to reading. The pack is a tool, but the message is that Health Visitors is essential to make sure that every family knows that they are the key to the best start in life to their child.